I'm Teacher Mike, and today we are going to talk about wake up late, get up late, sleep in, and oversleep. Most of you probably already understand get up late or wake up late, so let's start there. Yes, there is sometimes a difference between wake up and get up, but when we are talking about opening our eyes in the morning and starting our day, we usually use them interchangeably. It doesn't matter which one you use. So in this video today, I'm just going to keep it simple by only saying wake up late. But this also applies to get up late. To wake up late can mean two things. First, it can mean to wake up at a time that most people would agree is late in the day, probably sometime after 9 a.m. For example, when I worked in a hotel, I usually woke up sometime between 4:30 and 5:30 a.m. But nowadays, I wake up late. I usually wake up sometime between 8 and 10 a.m. Second, it can mean to wake up after the time that you planned to wake up. For example, I woke up late this morning because my alarm didn't go off. To oversleep means the same thing as that second meaning of wake up late. You wanted to wake up at a certain time, but you didn't. You woke up sometime after that time. So oversleeping is always an accident. It's not something that you plan to do. I overslept this morning, so I had to skip breakfast and rush to work. Sleep late is basically the same as wake up late. You can use it to describe your normal waking up time, and you can use it when you wake up later than you usually do. For example, he sleeps late every day because he doesn't work until 3 p.m. Or, I slept late this morning and I missed an important meeting. And finally, we have sleep in. To sleep in is basically the same as to wake up late or to sleep late, but there is one important difference. Sleeping in is something that you decide to do. You sleep in because you want to, and you can. It's not an accident. It's something that you do because you want to relax or you want to get more rest. My teenage sons always sleep in on the weekends. Usually, I wake up very early, but when I go on vacation, I enjoy sleeping in. So yeah, that's how we use those. And if you'd like more information about the difference between get up and wake up, please feel free to watch the video that I already have about that topic. Also, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I usually make about 3 to 5 new English learning videos each week. So if you're interested in improving your English, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Thank you for watching.